In today's video, I'm going to teach you Speechify, how to upload content. We'll start right in your web browser. Open Google in any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Speechify, then press Enter. On the results page, click the official Speechify website. This ensures you land on the correct platform with the latest features and a secure connection. Once you're on the Speechify site, look for the option labeled Browse Files. This button opens your computer's file picker so you can choose what you want Speechify to read aloud. Go ahead and click it. If your browser asks for permission to access files, allow it and keep the tab open so the upload can finish smoothly. Now select the content you want to upload. Speechify supports PDFs, images, and screenshots, which makes it great for articles, handouts, and notes. For images and screenshots, clearer text means better accuracy, so pick files with sharp focus and good contrast. If you're using a PDF, try to choose a version with selectable text when possible, as it processes faster. Once you've highlighted your file, click Open in the file picker to confirm your choice. Speechify will automatically begin processing your upload. For PDFs, it detects the text and pages. For images and screenshots, it runs text recognition to pull out the words. This might take a moment depending on your internet connection and file size. If you see a progress indicator, just let it complete. When the processing finishes, the player will be ready. You can now listen to your content. Press play to start and use pause or the timeline to move around. If available in your plan, adjust the reading speed to match your preference and choose a voice that keeps you engaged. Headphones are helpful for long sessions, and a quiet environment improves comprehension. If playback seems off, double-check that the upload is complete and that your internet connection is stable. If you'd like to keep an audio copy, you can download it directly from the player. Click the download option, select the provided format, and save it somewhere easy to find. Longer documents will take a bit more time to export, so leave the tab open until it finishes. And that's the workflow. Search for Speechify, open the site, browse for your file, upload it, let Speechify process it automatically, listen to your content, and download the audio if you need it. Keep your files organized, respect copyright and privacy, and you'll be set. Thanks for watching, and enjoy turning your reading into listening with Speechify.